Ralphie. You've got nothing to lose by asking him.
You're right.
Whoa! Don't worry, Mr. Krusty! We'll defeat this panicking pie machine in no time! There. Peachy! Hello, Captain Monsterific speaking. Hello?
Hi, Mr. Captain, sir. My name is Ralphie, and I'm a student at Monsterville Academy. As an assignment, we have to do an apprenticeship. And I'm wondering if you would be my mentor.
I'm quite flattered you'd consider me, but as one of the premier superheroes in Monsterville, I don't have much time on my hands.
Don't worry, sir. I'd be like an assistant.
I could use one of those. Can you tell me the most important skill a superhero needs?
Superness?
Maybe they can help us.
What's the most important skill for a superhero to have? Superness, flying, focus.
That's right! It's the ability to focus! Being able to control the chaos of your mind and direct your attention is the foundation of every superhero's power!
If you'll give me a chance, sir, I'll prove I'm focused enough.
How about you write me an essay on the history of superheroes in Monsterville? If you can focus long enough to make it through that, then we'll talk.
With relish, sir.
Gotta go now, but thanks for calling, kid. Being a superhero, it's no piece of pie.
There have been over 300 superheroes in Monsterville. Why did I tell everyone I was going to be the captain's apprentice?
What if we come up with focus tools? Tricks to help us concentrate. It'll help you finish the essay and prove yourself to the captain.
Great idea! Except, I'm not sure I even understand why focusing is so important. Why do you think it's important to focus?
Focusing helps us do things better and faster. Focusing helps us get more sleep. I think you've got it. Focusing helps us do things better and faster. That's why it's so important for superheroes. Actually, that seems important for, well,
everyone!
Let's do this!
So, where do we start?
Well, why do you think it's so hard for you to focus?
I guess I get distracted a lot.
Where do you think those pesky distractions come from? Inside our brains. From the outside world. Both.
Yeah, things happening around us can be just as distracting as all the thoughts and feelings we're experiencing in our brains. Learning to identify and avoid distractions seems like the first step in learning to focus. Oh my goblins! The distractions are everywhere!
What often distracts you? Toys or games? Friends or family? My own thoughts.
I find distractions of the video game variety particularly tempting. It's also important to understand when we often get distracted. Talk or think about what time of day you have the most trouble focusing. I have a really hard time focusing after school, like now.
What if our first focus tool was ditching distractions? Ready?
table would help us focus better. I agree! There's nothing to distract us! Let's ditch these distractions! Oh, sweet relief! What should we do with our tablets, phones, and other devices? Keep them on the table. Turn them off and put them in the other room. Great idea! Devices are the biggest distractions in our lives. Getting away from mine really helps me focus.
We all have trouble focusing sometimes, but if we get rid of distractions before we get started, we'll be setting ourselves up for success.
Next time you have trouble focusing, try cleaning off your desk and putting away your devices.
Bring on the focus!